Hey y'all, this is one of the Louisiana staples down here. Everybody loves these. We make all different kinds, but today we're making a catfish po' boy. You can make oyster, shrimp, whatever you want, but today's the catfish. I'm gonna show you how I eat them. All right, my favorite part here. Y'all, we're fixing to fry up some fish. Y'all know I love my catfish. Pretty lucky with this stuff, it's already seasoned. Growing up, this was something we ate just about at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. I'm gonna cut these little pieces because I'm gonna thin them down a little bit. I like thin catfish. Some people like thick. But you gotta cut these in little pieces. Po' boy is actually, everybody thinks you can get one anywhere, but you can't. New Orleans is the only place you can get a real po' boy, and because of the bread. If y'all notice, everywhere you go, somebody got their own bread. They got their own kind of bread, and you can only get it right there. You know why? Because New Orleans got the humidity. We got the humidity down here, and that's the only place you can find this real French bread at. It's right here, and it is good. All right, y'all, we got some of this. I'm gonna lay it out a little bit and watch what I do next. I would take a little bit of water, not much, just a shot, because I like my fish get kind of wet. Mix it up. All right, y'all. Now it's time for the shaky stuff. This is what we use to batter our fish with. It's all in the hips. Watch. See? That's how you do that. It's all in the hips. Ooh, get it all around. See that? A lot of times we do this to music and see it makes it better. But here, we didn't add no seasoning. This fish fry's already got seasoning. Come over here and watch this. Ooh, that's the way I like it. We got this fish frying on top of the Blackstone in one of these tinfoil pans. It takes a few minutes for it to get up to about 350, but we got her rolling now. So we preheated all this and we rolling with it. You want to just put it a little bit at a time because you don't want to overcrowd it. We're just going to let this fish cook a little bit because I like mine to cook a little bit, get good and crispy. All righty, y'all. We're fixing to make some of this. This is our French bread right here. The only place you can get good French bread is right here. And that's basically because of the humidity. Now, I'm going to tell y'all a little story about bread. Y'all ain't going to believe this, but it's true. When I was growing up, I was scared to death of bread. I would not touch bread. Because I don't know if it's a texture thing or what, but I wouldn't touch it at all. I was just scared of it. Okay, this is gonna be about right for one. We're gonna start with this one. I might make more, but I want to show y'all how we're gonna do this bread. Yes, I was terrified of bread growing up. Don't know why. I got over it. I definitely got over it. Okay, let me cut this all the way. I'm gonna drop down a little olive oil, y'all. A couple little strips of it, that's all you need. I'm gonna move it around a little bit. All right, once you get that done, we'll get a little butter. Now I'm gonna do this a little different. Back and forth. See how I'm doing this? Butter makes it better, baby. Then we're gonna pick up that butter. Hold it right there. Get a little Cajun blend here. Put it down right here. Now, y'all, can you smell it? It smells good, yeah. Then we're gonna get some S.P.G and put on here. All this is smelling right now with that butter. Now watch what we do next. We're gonna have this po' boy bread right here. And we're gonna put it here. We're gonna do that. Put it here and do that. We'll get all this goodness on this bread. Okay, we're gonna let them sit there and cook a minute till this fish is done. Alrighty, y'all. Ooh, that bread's ready. I'm gonna set that bread here. Ooh, Bobby, catfish is ready. Get these catfish, put them on this platter. Let them drain off a little bit. You don't want to eat all that all. All right, y'all ready to do this? First thing we do, grab some of this mayonnaise. People that know me know I don't like mayonnaise, but anytime I order one of these sandwiches, there will be mustard mayonnaise on it. That's the only way to go with it, y'all. Oh, yes. Now, a lot of people put it real thick on there. I don't. Uh-oh. I ain't supposed to. A lot of people put lettuce and tomatoes on here, pickles and all that other stuff. I just don't do it that way. This is the way I like it. I don't know why I like it this way. I got it handed to me years and years ago like this, and I'm just all for it. Y'all watch this. Building the catfish po' boy, you just got, it's like a puzzle. You got to put it together so it don't fall apart, and you want plenty of fish on it. Stack it and whack it. Is that pretty or what, y'all? Dude, there's no such thing as too much fish. Not for me. Is that pretty or what? We ain't through yet. Watch this. Got to shoot that stuff up. All right. And this way I like it, y'all. Put a little bit on the bottom or top. Oh, what the heck? A little bit more. That's pretty. Ain't done yet, y'all. This. Spice it up. Now what this does, you got all this stuff on it, it's gonna stick. Bread's got plenty of seasoning already. Plenty of butter taste. Now we're gonna put a top on it. Oh, yeah, it's ready to eat. Smash it down a little bit so you can hold it. Look at there. Get all that fish, mustard mayonnaise. And you could cook this however you want. You could do a fish one, you can do an oyster one, a shrimp one. It don't really matter, but they all good. You could fry French fries with this, tater tots, whatever. But today, it's just straight fish. Oh my goodness. Love my catfish. Y'all don't get no better than this.
Not your cooking with the